Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a close-up of Space Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Space Godzilla, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and curve up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and down. Next, I'll draw a little line underneath here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down right by the eye. Then I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and I'm going to come down to here. Then I'm going to bring this line over, and we're going to come down again where the nose is going to be. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve this over, and I'm going to bring this line all the way down to about here. I'm going to add a little line that's just going to come down for the nostril, and we'll do another one right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve this around and then bring it to here. That'll be one of those little kind of spikes or teeth that are kind of coming out. Then I'm going to continue this line down. And then I'm going to make this line be a little bumpy, and then we're going to bring it to about here. Then I'm going to curve this line down and up. And then we're going to bring this over to here and up. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come up and then down a little bit. I'm going to bring this line up here and then down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it down here. Next, I'm going to bring a broken line right up to here. And then I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up and down. I'll make another one that's going to come up and down here. And then one more here. Now for the teeth, I'm just going to fill up the mouth with these long, kind of sharp, jagged teeth in here. I'm going to bring them all the way back to here. And we'll do the same thing down here. We're just going to fill up the mouth with some really sharp, jagged teeth. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down here. And then one more here. Then right along here, I'm going to add some more teeth right by the tongue. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. And then I'll do the same thing. I'm going to add more jagged, sharp teeth all the way down here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make some little curved lines just to kind of show the top of the mouth. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little spikes. And then right here, I'm going to make some kind of like bumpy little lines. They're just going to come right down here. Starting right here, I'm going to make a couple little curved lines for the neck. I'll do one more here. And then right here I'm going to bring this line down and then in. Now, starting right up here, I'm going to make a little bumpy line that's going to go right to here. And then right here, I'm going to make some little lines that are just going to kind of come up and down, kind of like these little points all along here. I'm going to bring these all the way to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to put that one of these big crystals on him. So I'm going to bring this line up here to a point and down. I'm going to make another long kind of broken line up here. Now, right across here, I'm going to add some little spikes and things. So we're just going to make some of these spikes coming down his back, different sizes. And we'll make them a little bit bigger as they get down to here. And then we're going to put another one of these big kind of crystal shapes up here. So we're going to make one that's going to come up and down to here. Then we'll make a little long broken line here. Make a big one right here. And then another big kind of spike right over here. Next, I'm going to bring a long broken line down here. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come down here for the arm. Bring a broken line here. And we're going to leave a little space and bring this down here. Next, starting here, let's bring a little line that's going to come out and in. And then down here for part of the chest. I'll do the same thing here. We're going to make some little curved lines that are going to come down, and a little line here. Make another broken line here. And then we're going to do a few little kind of broken lines right around here for some details on the neck. Now right along here, I'm going to make another kind of long broken line. And I'm going to put a few just kind of these broken line details all around here just to give them a little bit more texture look. Now up here there's going to be one of these like big tusks coming out. So I'm going to curve a line that's going to come up to a point and then it's going to come back down here. I'll add some little curved lines right around it and I'll do the same thing to this one up here. I'll add another one of these tusks right here. I'll make one coming out here too. Let's make a long broken line right along the edge of the mouth here. I'll put a few more right around here as well. We're going to put some curved lines right around here and a few little detail lines right up here. Put a few more little lines right around here. And then let's add some little broken lines onto these spikes as well. I'm going to add some little broken lines all along here. And we'll do a few lines coming across here as well, just to kind of give these big crystals a little more shape. I'm also going to add a few kind of small little kind of partial curve shapes just to make it look like there's scales and bumps and texture. Make a few more little lines coming down here. And a few more little lines all over. And there you go, there is your drawing of Space Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.